All right, here we go. So first one is SageMaker, which is a fully managed service that allows you to build, train, and deploy machine learning models. Basically, it simplifies the process of training and deploying models and actually gets really good results. If you see on the exam, training models, deploying models, like sophisticated machine learning, end-to-end machine learning, that's SageMaker. Next, Poly. So the rest of them are quite self-explanatory from the name. You guess what they do. So Poly takes text and converts it to speech. Transcribe does the opposite. It takes speech and converts it to text. Textract extracts text and structured data from scanned PDFs, tables, images, and so on. So it basically uses, it's like a scanner, but to get data or text that you can work with for structured data. And so it uses OCR, which is optical character recognition, and NLP, which is natural language processing. Then we have Personalize, which is a recommendation service, kind of similar to what you have on Amazon, the store, the online store. So here you can create your own personalization system using their engines. Then you have Rekognition, which allows you to detect faces, objects, and scenes in images and videos. Remember, and videos as well. Lex. So for the exam, the best way to think about this is Amazon Alexa has the word Lex in it, and that's what it does. It's basically a conversational interface for chatbots. Then we have Comprehend, which is an NLP service for discovering insights and relationships in text. So to remember, Textract helps you extract text from images or scanned PDFs and so on. Comprehend helps you understand that text and what sentiment it has and basically what's happening in that text. Then we have Translate, which is self-explanatory. We have Forecast, which is a time series forecasting service. Again, very straightforward for predictions and business planning. Kendra, one of those that you will need to remember what it does. Basically, think of it as like Google, but for your company. So if you have like a database of information in your company, like about internal services and processes and, like your culture and values, there might be some handbooks, some database, some other, like basically lots of sources of information about how your company operates. You can hook them all up to Kendra, and Kendra will be able to provide results. It's especially useful for anybody who's like just joining the company and they want to learn how to use certain things, or it can be useful for standard operating procedures and things like that. And finally, this last one represents just basically if there's any new machine learning services are added in the future, we'll add them to this section of the course, and you'll see them in the tutorials below. So there you go. There's a quick overview with some text so you can navigate this study guide, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Until then, enjoy the cloud.